data experts. Today we'll be discussing about the basic features in Microsoft Excel.
It's just Microsoft Excel, and very quickly, some of the things that everyone should be familiar with on Microsoft Excel. The very first thing that you should be very familiar with is the idea of a worksheet and workbook. So basically, what is a workbook? A workbook is like an Excel file. So you see an Excel file, maybe it's .xlsx or .xls. That is basically like a workbook. It's just a workbook. It's just like a book, a workbook, just as the name is a workbook. And then you have a worksheet, which are some of these things here. And so if you look at this thing, this place I'm typing just at the bottom left of my screen, you can see here I'm having like a worksheet one. So that is basically like a worksheet. So you can create a worksheet using this plus arrow. So I'm actually assuming that we are using Microsoft Excel 2013 and above. If you are not using Microsoft Excel 2013, your interface will be a little bit different. Although my interface might be a little bit different because of this autosave feature and all. So that is basically in the worksheet and workbook, and you should just be very familiar with that. Another very interesting thing is that people have not really explored the power in Excel, and I tell you, if you have not explored it, you guys are missing out a lot. And what exactly is that? That is what I call the quick access toolbar. So this is a quick access toolbar. Now, all these things I see here, this save, redo, and all these things here, that is what they call the quick access toolbar on Microsoft Excel. The quick access toolbar. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. I want to be able to zoom in. Let me try to, sorry, I'm trying to do this zoom thing. Let me do Control 0 for my zoom. Okay, so now let me just zoom in so you can see. So I have zoomed in now. Can you see my quick access toolbar? So look at, just follow my mouse, and for you to see it in a better view, I have zoomed in. So this is what they call the quick access toolbar on Excel. This part here at the top is a quick access toolbar. And what does a quick access toolbar do for you? Is that there are some times when you do some things very, very frequently on Microsoft Excel, and you don't want to be going around looking for it. And so that is why they call it quick access. Then another thing that we have here is called the ribbon. So some of these things I can see here, the home, the inserts, the page layout, the formulas, the data, the page layout, the formula, the data, the review, the view, the automate, and all other things like that. That is actually the ribbon, and which you are probably already familiar with.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more video content.